another quick look with my Lamar palette. I got my BoxyCharm this month. I'm going to pair it with my Too Faced Natural Eyes palette because I can. My eye tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it with this Lamar palette with just a little bit of Too Faced. I love this palette. Most of the reviews I've heard on it have been extremely good. I did hear one person say that one of the shimmer shades was really just coming off her eyes super fast, which was the one that I used on my inner corner. I went in a little further because I want to find out that there is a shade in there that's not performing as expected, and that could just be so many things. Really, honest to God, it could. It could be her skin type is different, her primer is different, all sorts of things. It could even be simply an application method is different, although she was using the NYX glitter glue. I don't know. I will let you know if I have a problem with it today. We will find out. So the Lamar palette, I adore it. I've used it several times now. I've put up a couple of quick tutorials with it. $28 for 8 pans. I think that's a pretty decent deal myself, especially since for me they perform beautifully. I've lost the Bannington eyelashes. They were $28. Holy crap. My dog stole them. I wore them once, but honestly, I didn't really like them. They were way too much for me, so not a fan. This Soleil Genera, or whatever, I've used almost all of it already. I love it. I love the smell of it. I love the way it sinks into my skin. This little thing right here is 10 bucks, so it is a pricey lotion, and I would not tell you I love a pricey lotion unless I loved the pricey lotion, because I make my own lotion. So we have a set of 3 of the Luxie 3-piece complexion brushes, and just so you know, they do have a 1-year warranty on them, so if you break it, it breaks on you, call Luxie, send them an email, and they will send you a new one. This isn't the color that I got my BoxyCharm this month, the Ofra liquid lipstick. This one is in Tuscany. I got the one in Veronica. I love it. Veronica's in my purse now. Things I love tend to go into my purse. The Ofra lipstick retails for $21. And the last thing I really can't give you a review on, I did not use it. It was too tuggy on my hand. It's only a $5 item, so I'm not going to use that. I'm going to pass that on to somebody else. So I really can't give you an in-depth review on that. The rest of the items this month, with the exception kind of the lashes, which for me, I would never have paid $28 for those lashes, and I took them off and my dog stole them because I took them off and set them on a nightstand because they were driving me nuts. I had a hard time getting them to stay down, and honestly, for 28 bucks, I expect better. Oh shit. I don't know when that happened. Hopefully, my whole mascara mess did not happen until after I at least got partway through that. Let me know what you thought of this review. I am starting to do these more in-depth BoxyCharm reviews where I go over all the products and how I think they work after I've used them for a little bit, so I can give you a real honest opinion. Like you said, the lashes didn't work for me. They were 28 bucks, which is crazy expensive for something that drove me nuts and didn't stay glued down. They would not. They just kept popping up. Like nothing I did kept them on my lid. I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so I thought I would do a quick login. It's been hours since I did my makeup. This is what it looks like now. It does look like that lightest shade, El Maughan, maybe? I don't know. It does sheer out a bit more as it wears, but it's still definitely there on me. I think that it totally must depend on the products you're using and your skin and your eyelids and a whole host of factors. There's me with some lipstick back on. I'm gonna take a brush and just do a quick kind of touch up and see if it will build right back up again or look like shit. I don't know about you, but today while filming this, I just put on my mascara and I sneezed. It seems to build back up okay. Like if you just want to do a quick touch up on it at some point. I think if you were out dancing and it did this, I would be okay with it, wouldn't you? I mean, maybe that's just me. I think it still looks pretty good this far into the day. Because it's 7 o'clock here. I put on my makeup at like 11, so it's been 8 hours. And I think if I got off work from working all day, and I was in a hard car driving and stuff, I think I would be okay with this, wouldn't you? What do you think? As I said before, I have no problem touching up my makeup. Right now, my foundation is looking just a little bit patchy in a couple places. Like, it isn't as beautiful as it was when I put it on. With a little bit of powder, and you sort of blend it back together. The areas that are looking really bad right now for me is my forehead, and that's because I was in the car and my dog likes to lick my makeup, so I'm kind of surprised I have as much as I do left. I think that's gonna do it for me. I would be pretty happy with this. I think, especially if I was like just going out to drinks after working all day, and then you get off work and you're like, okay, I just want to touch up my makeup a little bit and go. I mean, that took me 2 minutes at the most, and I'd say it's back to looking pretty good. Let me know what you think. I will talk to you guys later. Bye!